Hi everyone, welcome back to the last week of the semester. It's Module 14 on the future of food and health. This week in the learning materials, there's a short micro lecture on evidence-based case studies on interventions at various levels throughout the socio-ecological model that we learned about last week. Also, there's a short video on food justice. Throughout this semester, we have paid special attention to marginalized groups, particularly Black and brown groups who suffer the most when it comes to diet-related diseases and food access issues. And so there's a short video there on food justice and the importance of food justice in the food system. And this week for your assignment, it is it's reflection essay number 5. So if you are going to do that essay, remember you only have to do 4 out of the 5 essays, or you can do them all and I'll drop the lowest grade. If you're going to do that, that will be due at the end of the week. Okay, good luck. Thanks so much.